Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp chat stuck while uploading to Google Drive. If you're using WhatsApp and your chat backup is stuck, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app, tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings, then go for chat, select chat backup, and from here you have to make sure that you have connected with the same Google account. Then tap on backup option to get your backup. But if you have stuck on this screen or on this screen, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connecting to a stable internet connection. Just scroll down your quick settings, and here you have to make sure that you are connecting to any Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Or if you have, you just have to open your browser to check if your network is working. Open your Chrome browser or any other browser, and here you must have to randomly search for anything. And here you can see the network speed is almost right. So after that, you just have to scroll down your quick settings, and here just refresh your network. So just enable your airplane or flight mode. Once you have enabled, just wait for briefly 5 or 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Or you have to open your backup settings, and from here, if you are stuck on any screen on just like this, you must have to tap on this cross option, and the backup will be cancelled. Once you have cancelled the backup, just try again. Or if you are stuck in any other time, so you must have to go back, and here just keep a long press on your WhatsApp app, tap on this info icon or app info option, then select storage, and here you just have to look for storage, then tap on clear cache files, then tap on clear data. Once you have that, your all data from WhatsApp will be cleared, and after that you just have to relog in your WhatsApp. But if you're still having the same issue, you just have to restart your phone. Just scroll down your quick settings, then tap on this power option, tap on restart, and then tap on it again to restart your phone. It will fix if your phone having an issue. So that's how you can easily fix WhatsApp chat stuck while uploading to Google Drive. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.